Hello guys, in this tutorial today I am going to show you how to create a beautiful animated GIFs like this one. As you can see, I already opened a Canva website. Now in order to create a GIFs, let's search for these GIFs in the search box. And here Canva gives us so many templates. Some of are for the free and some of are only for the pro user. You can use as it is or you can use as a to create your design. And if you want to create from the scratch, just go to the create a design, then custom your size. I'll go for the 180 square form. And now I am going to show you how to make GIFs from the scratch like this one and this one. So for this, let's add another page, and first thing we have to do is to choose the background of our GIF. So for this type of background, go to the video and then search for the confetti background. And here Canva gives us so many videos like this one. And if you don't have a pro account, you can go to the filters and apply this free option. And then Canva gives us so many video which is free, but I already have a pro account, so I'll choose this one. So let's add this. Okay. Then we have to add this type of animated number. For this, go to the elements and then write animated numbers. Then select a graphic option, and here you found this type of animated so many numbers. So let's add this one. Now we have to add 0. For this, I'll go to this 3 dot and then choose see more like this, and let's add this 0. Now let's add this K. For this, go to the elements and search K. And then choose animated filters from the filters option. And here we found this K. Now let's add this. Now for this type of subscriber fonts, go to the text and choose this glow text. Then go to the color option and choose purple color from it. Let's make it smaller. Then put it here. Now the last thing we have to add is this animated ear. For this, go to the elements and search ear. And here we found this is also free. It's ready. Now let's jump to the another one. This one. For this, let's add page. Now first thing we have to add is background. For this, search for the birthday background. Then select photo option, and here we found many photos. Some of are free and some of are pro use. And when you double click on this picture, you can adjust this picture like this. Now let's add this happy birthday. For this, search happy birthday in elements. Then select graphic option and apply animated filters. And we found this happy birthday. And the last thing is this animated girl. For this, write birthday girl. Then choose graphic option and choose animated from the filters. Now it's time to animate this. For this, let's go to the animate option, and here we can see many options which we can use: rise, pan, fade, pop, etc. I'll choose this one, and it's ready. For download these GIFs, go to the share button, then choose download option and choose GIF option from the file type, and then download it. And I already downloaded this before, so I'll show you how it's look. Let's open the another one. So guys, you can see this is the GIFs that we created in Canva. So by this way you can create a beautiful eye-catching graphics in just few minutes. I hope you like this video, and if you found any valuable information in this video, so please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.